Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change the seatbelt buckle on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011, 2013. Models are all the same. This is a 2011, but I'm guessing it's probably very similar in a newer model as well. Here's the belt buckle that I took off. What had happened was a couple of the wires had broken. I don't know if you can see them, look at it in the sun. So right here, you can kind of see where they're broken, and it set off the seatbelt light and the airbag light, so I'm going to change it. I bought a new one, and this is the last video I think you'll have in horizontal mode, which I apologize for. I guess that's just a mistake. First step is I'm going to pop off this little piece right here. I kind of already started, but just kind of give it a little pull on this edge right here. Whoop, there it goes. And take that, set it aside. So now this is going to give me some space right here to do some work. You're going to move your seat back as far as it'll go, and also have it raised as high as it will go. This is what the belt buckle looks like, and I already attached mine to make sure it would turn off the airbag and seatbelt light. So, but this is what it looks like, and there's a bolt at the bottom that you need a 1/4 inch Allen wrench for. So I got that, and there's that bolt right there, and now it's accessible. So I'm going to take it off. I finally got it going. It was very stubborn, so what I ended up doing was sticking the Allen wrench in long ways. I put a socket on top of it, a socket extender into it, and had to use this to pry down and turn it, but I eventually got it turning. Here's the new seat belt that I put right here, and then I came around to the front, and I have everything put back together now. This is a post video, but I screwed that all the way in, and then after my seat belt was firmly placed, I took the wire and kind of ran it through just like the old one was ran. This piece right here will pop off the back of the seat. Let's see if it'll focus. So this pops out, kind of goes in there. And when you pop it off and you take off the seat belt, you're going to find this wire that was connected to the old seat belt. You can kind of run it through and see how it comes up and around through here under the seat, and follow it. And then this is it right here, and I unplugged it. So just find out, follow it to where it plugs in, so you know which route you'll take the wire when you put in your new one. Last thing you do is just pop this cover, this part of the console back on, and pop this piece right here, pop it back on, and you can see that this carpet kind of folds, so you can pop it on, then fold the carpet over it, and it velcros, and you're done. And you start your car. There's no airbag light, and when I plug in my seatbelt, there's no seatbelt light, and we are good.